basically finding your voice. Don't compete on your strengths, compete on differences. Like, what is your superpower? That's Stephen Larson. So use what you have different to shine. I've heard from a couple people like, oh, like what makes this different? What makes you different? And if I'm out there putting it out in the public, putting it on my page, putting it in my ads, like how I'm different. For example, Hope, she's a freaking ninja. Like she can climb on the ceiling and like do spider tricks and backflips. And that's a superpower. She's totally into health and all that. And she can utilize that for her business. That makes her way different. I don't know anyone that could do a spider backflip from a ceiling thing. So that's your superpower.
That's for real. That's a real thing. I can't wait. Hope, can you do that later?
We're going to get on video, don't worry. So master your superpower and do it in public. This makes you so vulnerable to your audience. Start just doing stuff. Whatever you're going to focus on, figure it out, your superpower. Are you ADHD? Are you ADD? Like, oh, I can do like 20 things at once. Let me show you how. Like whatever it is, I'm a little like squirrel, shiny object. I don't know how I can master that yet, but I'm working on it. But master it on your page. And then you'll be extra vulnerable. Share all of your fails and wins. Like what did you not do good at? What did you have trouble with? What did you struggle with? And then what did you find that worked? All through the process you're doing this, it basically shows people where you started, like you're a real human being, Stephen Larson was talking about, and then where you are now, where you actually mastered something and you're the subject matter expert at that, right? This also goes if you're new. You can do it with go lives. You can do it with ads. You can start with your very first go live. It's scary. I know, looking at that little dot, I'm like, who's watching me? But just talk to it like it's your friend, it's yourself, whoever you want to talk to, your dog. I don't care. Just get on it and do it and then keep doing it. Eventually you're going to master it and then go watch your first one and laugh. So don't delete the old ones. That's the last tip I got for you. See you guys later.